Remove the handlebar grip. Disconnect the finger throttle connection cable. Loosen the screw and remove the finger throttle. Cut off brake lever connection cable. Align with the groove, pull out the brake cable. Loosen the screw and remove the brake handle. Replace the brake handle with a new one. Install brake cable. Connect the cut-off brake lever cable. Install finger throttle and handlebar grip. Tighten the screws. Align the indicator arrow connection. Adjust the angle of the brake handle. Tighten the screws. Organize wiring harness. Replacement completed.